Hello, thanks for stopping by. It's Leela from Miss Leela Pink Journey. I'm going to do a quick sublimation print using an inexpensive table runner. Just need to make sure it's 100% polyester, and it is. And I'm just testing this logo onto this table runner. The first thing I did is I pre-pressed it for 10 seconds. Here's the print. It's my logo. And I have used my lint roller to get as much of the lint off as possible. I placed a sheet of butcher paper under the table runner, and I'm placing my print right across the top of the table runner, face down. I'll grab another sheet of butcher paper, and after I get this positioned like I want it, I will place a sheet of butcher paper across the top of that to protect my heat press and the table runner from the print. Gonna press this for 60 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more beginner videos. 60 seconds is up. Let's see how it turned out. It came out perfect. This is a great way to display your logo at a vendor fair or in your office or wherever you would like it. Afterwards, I like to grab my lint roller to try to knock out some of the little heat press indentations that you get. And that helps a lot. You can also lay a sheet of parchment paper across the top and do a quick press again to knock out some of those dents. And there it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more beginner videos. Stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.